Hello people! So today's video is going to be my current go-to spring makeup routine. It's really basic, I'm just gonna tell you right now. Just being so lazy with makeup, like this is more than I would usually do, but when I want to actually put some makeup on my face at the moment, this is what I've been doing. You can probably tell from looking at me right now, it's very kind of skin focused. Haven't really done much with the eyes, I've just been really lazy in that sense. This is the makeup look that I've been wearing. So I've been using a load of products that I've just kind of obsessed with at the moment. Some are new, some are old. If you want to see how I create this look, what products I use as well, then make sure you are subscribed and give the video a thumbs up as well. And just keep watching. Okay, so my skincare has switched up the tiniest bit. It's not that much different to what it usually is. It's just a tiny bit different. Toner is exactly the same. I haven't switched this up. This is the Thayers Witch Hazel Aloe Vera. Really good. It's alcohol free as well, which is always good. So I'll just pop this everywhere. It's really soothing for the skin, but it hydrates your skin really nicely as well. For moisturiser, I have been using a moisturiser with an SPF now. I usually switch up my morning moisturisers quite a lot. I usually switch them up like every week so I can like use different ones, but the one I've been using as like my go-to at the minute is this one. This is by Pond's and it's the anti-aging moisturiser. I just wanted a new brand to try moisturiser wise, and this one had SPF when I was looking on the Boots website, so this is the one that I'm going to be using and I do really like it. It doesn't leave a huge white cast, it leaves like a tiny bit, but it kind of blends away the more you blend the moisturiser into the skin, so it doesn't bother me that much. It doesn't smell of sunscreen either, which is good, and that's what you want. You don't want, unless you like the smell of sun cream, then go for it. The tiniest bit, but then it literally just blends away and you can't see it, so. It's SPF 15. It doesn't say it on it, but it did say it on the website, so yeah. I don't use it for the anti-aging properties, but that's always good, isn't it? I have run out of my kind of morning eye cream that I usually use. I was using the Tarte Maracuja oil one. So I've actually gone back to this night cream that I used to use, but I'm using it as an eye cream because it's so hydrating. It's kind of oily, but I feel like that is so good for your under eyes because you just want them to be super hydrated, and mine have been getting a little bit dry, so literally as you can see, like it will leave your under eyes so dewy. So as far as brows go, I have been so lazy. To be fair, my makeup routine this past month has been so lazy. I've actually just been either brushing through them and leaving and just not doing anything, or I will just still apply a bit of brow gel, so that's what I'm going to do today. Oh, this is like half run out. This is pretty much all run out, but I need it, so I'm just going to use the Colourpop Brow Boss Gel in black. So I've been using my Emani primer again. Also, I've got a cold, which is great, so excuse that. I'm using the Emani Perfect 10 Primer Serum. I don't know, I've just gone back to it. I've always liked this. I've always really liked this as a face primer, so I've been using this. Okay, so I haven't been wearing a foundation at the moment. I've just been using this, which is the Pixi H2O Skin Tint. It's just a tinted face gel, and this one is in warm. I love this. I will go between this one and the It Cosmetics CC Cream. This one is more natural, so if you literally just want just something to kind of even out your skin, like I just need a bit of tone evening, this is the one I'll use. If I have like breakouts and stuff like that, or I just want more coverage, then I will use the It Cosmetics one. But yeah, I'm going to use this one for today. Just using a brush for it as well. Just even out my skin. You can still see my skin peeking through, but that's what I've just been really liking at the moment. Just leaves a nice little glow to the skin, and it's just nice and light. I have a new kind of concealer combo that I've really been liking. I'm mixing together the Colourpop No Filter Concealer in the shade Medium Tan, and I've been mixing it with the Catrice Liquid Camouflage Concealer. Again, I'm pretty sure I used these two together in a recent video, and I've been using this combo ever since. Then to set all that in place, I've been using the Vichy Dermablend Loose Powder. So for blush, I've been obsessed with this little thing since I used it in that video. This is the Nabla blush stick in Maybe Baby. This every day. No joke, since I tried it in that video, every single day I have been using this blush and I am obsessed with it. Blends fine just on top of powders, but I just like to do the cream first. So for bronzer, I switch up my bronzers all the time, but when it comes to the spring and summertime, I just like to use something with a sheen. So I've been using the Too Faced Sweethearts bronzer in Sweet Tea, and I usually concentrate on this one, but then I just kind of mix them both. So I haven't been using highlight at the minute either, because you can just kind of see the glow that the blush gives, so I've literally just left it like that. For the eyes, I've just been so lazy and I've just been putting this bronzer into my crease and just all over the lid, so I'm just going to do that super quick. So when it comes to mascaras, I've been going between two different ones depending on how natural I want my makeup look to be. When I want it to be super natural, I've been using the CoverGirl, the Super Sizing Mascara, and this one is actually a brown one. It's called Black Brown, but it's more brown than it is black. So I've been using that when I just want something super natural and soft. Using the Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara when I just want a bit more volume and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go for the Benefit one today. That's just what I'm feeling. For lips, again, I've been keeping it so basic and so simple, but this is a lip crayon by Nivea, and it's just a red kind of tinted one, and it moisturizes the lips really nicely, and it obviously gives a red tint to it as well. So it just twists up like that. It's just a literal crayon. So what I've been doing is literally just kind of applying it like this. I just blend it out with my finger. So I know it probably looked a bit pointless, like why did she put so much on if she was going to wipe most of it off, but this is what I've liked. I've just liked having a kind of washed out tint to the lips where it doesn't look like I'm wearing much, but it's still there. So that is it. I know it's literally so simple and so basic, but that's me. So that is it for today's video. So I hope you enjoyed it. I'm using all kind of like my go-to products at the minute. This is just what I like to wear when I just want my skin to just feel nice and light, not too heavy or anything like that. Hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to subscribe if you aren't already, and also give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it as well, and I'll see you in my next video.